Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover inheritance. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover basics of inheritance. I have created a base class, called shape, with protected members, base and height, and public member functions, called setBase, to setBase, and setHeight, to setHeight. Created derived class, called triangle, which inherits base class shape. Derived class can access only members, or members' functions, which are public, or protected. That is, derived class cannot access private member, or private member function, of base class. Created function getArea, to get area of triangle. In the main function, I have created object for derived class triangle, called T. Setting base, and height, by accessing setBase, and setHeight member function, of base class shape. And getting the area of triangle, by using getArea member function, of derived class triangle, and displaying the area of triangle, using cout function. In the next program, I am going to cover constructor and destructor behavior in inheritance. In the previous program, I have added constructor and destructor function in base class, and constructor and destructor function in derived class. First base class constructor gets executed. Then, derived class constructor gets executed. After performing all the operations, that is setting base and height, getting area of triangle, destructor of derived class gets executed, and then, destructor of base class gets executed. In the next program, I am going to cover base member function overriding. I have created getArea function, in derived class, which overrides getArea function of base class. We can access member function, of derived class, using object.member function, and overridden member function, from base class, using object.baseClass, scope resolution operator, member function. In the next program, I am going to cover polymorphism. I have created base class shape, with display function to display, inside class shape. Created derived class triangle, with display function to display, inside class triangle. Created another derived class rectangle, with display function to display, inside class rectangle. In the main function, even though I am pointing the pointer of base class to derived classes, display function from base class is getting executed, which is not polymorphism. But if we add virtual keyword in base class function, display function from corresponding derived class will get executed, which is polymorphism. That is different forms. In the next program, I am going to cover pure virtual function. We can make the virtual function pure, by initializing it with 0. Pure virtual function must be overridden in derived class. If we do not override pure virtual function in derived class, we will get error while compiling. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on C++ program interview questions, from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.